Service allows students to really understand their passions. Who do they want to be when they grow up? Who do they want to be as someone who lives in this global world today? And also, I think service allows people to channel their passion and drive into something that's really meaningful and something that can impact the world that they surround in a positive way.
I think making a difference is important because these days I feel like everywhere you see news about like disheartening news like wars and things about climate change that probably aren't the best for the world. And I think that doing change by yourself allows you to change that mindset from a negative one to a positive one. So you're able to see the world in a different ways. Going from like, oh, look at how saddening the world is to, oh, look, I'm making a difference.
Really want to see people more informed of issues globally so they have that choice to go through service action or not. I think it's really important for them to be mindful of these impacts and know that they have the option to make a difference.
So 20 years from now, I hope that not only our school but the world is a more inclusive and creative space where we're able to talk about biases and prejudice, but still be open and kind and respectful to one another. And I hope that we're able to amplify underrepresented voices to create a conversation about validation and representation.
To me, service means making a positive change in the world.
Helping the environment and the world.
Asking people what they need and supporting them on the way.
What does service mean to me? It means collaborative and meaningful learning and change.